Hello everyone, this is Amrita from skillmonks.com. Today we have gathered here to talk with the Vice Principal of Pallavi Engineering College based in Hyderabad, Dr. Nagajyoti. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi.
Can you tell me something about your college, a brief introduction, like what all courses are there in this college?
Pallavi Engineering College, it was actually called as Nagol Institute of Technology. It's a 10 years old college managed by Kumari Garu. We have 5 BTech courses like CSE, ECE, EEE. We also have diploma courses in 3 branches, EEE, Mechanical and Civil.
So can you tell me something about yourself also, like how's your experience working as a vice principal in this reputed college?
Actually, I have 20 years experience. I have been working in Tamil Nadu in various universities like Satyabama, Vinayaka Mission, etc. And in Hyderabad, I am working for the past 4 years. I have experience in working as head of the department, dean, and also as vice principal.
We would also like to know about what is the present scenario, like what is the recruitment scenario in your college?
Generally, if you talk some 10 years back, the recruitment process, especially in tier 1 companies and tier 2 companies, was maximum. Major companies used to visit the colleges, take up nearly 1000 students, 500 students as a mass recruitment. But nowadays, if you see that recruitment process, it has come down. We have 70% placement, out of which 40% is IT. The number of students they recruit has come down. It's not only in our college, it's generally it's happening across, because they are expecting the latest skills and trends, which we do not have in the regular college curriculum. That's why usually like a Pallavi Engineering College, we conduct value-added courses where we introduce new technical skills.
What are those new technical skills? Can you just brief a little bit so that our students also get to know about it?
So to impart various technical skills, we have tied up with certain industries and organizations. Recently, we have tied up with the Delhi MC. We have also got a Center of Excellence for Data Science and Big Data Analytics in our college. We are also getting the AutoCAD Center of Excellence from Autodesk. Other than that, we have tied up with Salesforce and also other companies with whom the students go for the industrial training, learn various technical skills. We have also a Skills Sati program for our first year students. It is offered by ICT Academy in collaboration with CIA and other corporations.
Ma'am, what are the initiatives taken by our college to make the students industry ready?
Generally, when the students get admitted in the first year, we conduct a diagnostic test to find out where they have the interest. Mainly students of BTech, they have 4 different ideas. One is either they want to get placed in a good industry, or they would like to go for higher studies, or they want to become their own the entrepreneur, or the next one is they want to get job in some government or public sector. So based on these 4 things, we conduct various technical skills and also the communication skills, which is very important for the students to get the job or even to go for higher studies. So if the student wants to get placed, we have a special cell called a training and placement cell, and also we have a career guidance cell through which we guide the students like what are the placement opportunities, what are the skills they need to develop to get the job. And secondly, we have the higher studies. And our career guidance cell generally brings the university officials from various universities, not only in India, even from abroad, and they interact, find out the opportunities of the scholarship schemes, and then we guide students to do higher studies. Third one is the students are not still aware of what is an entrepreneur, how to become an entrepreneur. Students think that they require some financial support to become an entrepreneur. It's not like that. Recently also we have tied up with JNTU, we got the TechCube funding and we conducted an entrepreneurship development program for our students where we mainly thrusted that without even a single rupee, a person can become an entrepreneur with just a small idea. And last one is the government type jobs where we offer various guidance for competitive exams. So through which many of our students are already, they have secured government jobs. Many are studying in abroad also.
What type of companies are visiting? Is it development side or the support side?
Mainly the companies are of development side, and also when we see different sectors, being the college being in Hyderabad as students, they get more of IT sector jobs compared to the core industries. So core industries also we have placement for nearly 30%, but IT sector mainly we focus on that, and students also nowadays they are interested to do the software jobs compared to the core jobs. We also offer jobs, we get companies who do the jobs relevant to the telecom industries. Recently, last week, 48 students got placed in a telecom industry.
So, according to you, what do you think? What are the skill sets required to get an IT job?
Yes, basically, the students think that we have a thorough subject knowledge, so that is sufficient. When the students come from junior colleges, they just have the bookish knowledge. But after entering, by doing the BTech, they need to acquire various skills like the technical skills and the recent advancements. Not only that, the companies are expecting how the students communicate to them. So communication skills also, it's a very important tool. So we guide the students starting from the first year about the communication skills, soft skills, various technical skills that are not in curriculum also. We update the students. We also send the students for various industrial visits, also some technical trainings to other companies so that they will have hands-on experience on the skills.
Ma'am, we are currently hearing about the Industry 4.0 and then the emerging new trends in technologies. So, what's your take on that?
Our college, apart from the curriculum, we are also providing various recent skills like artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, IoT. All these courses are being conducted in association with various industries. Apart from that, we also have a NPTEL local chapter in association with IIT Madras, through which we motivate our students to take up those courses. Many of our students and faculty members, they have done these courses. They have got even certificates up to the gold level, through which we can understand that they are every time they are improving their technical skills, and also we are giving the students the every latest advancement through industrial trainings and also these NPTEL courses. We also have IIT remote centers for Bombay and also Kharagpur in our college, and through these remote centers that students and faculty can directly interact with the IIT professors, get to know the latest technologies.
What do you think that what kind of support the colleges nowadays will require from the industry?
We have a very good curriculum in the college because it is given by the JNTUH. But right now, to impart the latest advancements, etc., we also require the industries to come forward to offer various internships and also give us permissions for industrial visits, hands-on training, etc. So we get from the private companies, but also the public sector comes over here, because our students have various innovative projects also they are doing in the final year. Once the industries come over here to the college and see the projects, that will be useful for the industries also. It will be beneficial for both students and also industries. So mainly from core industries to pertaining to mechanical and civil, if the companies can come forward, so through the joint innovation, we can even patent those innovative projects.
So moving on to our last question, ma'am, does Pallavi Engineering College is involved in any social activities?
Yes, of course. We have a PMKVY scheme which is funded by ACTE, and through that we conduct various entrepreneurship courses to the nearby community ladies who are the housewives. For them, we are giving various courses on how to cook the latest food items, that is nature preserved food items, and also how to do the tailoring and how to use the MS Office for the illiterate ladies, and basic training to the children who are doing 10th standard like that, how to do the apprenticeship in various companies. We are giving those trainings using this scheme, PMKVY scheme, and nearly till now around 280 students got benefited through this, and around 100 local community including the men and women got benefited through this.
We would also like to know what is the management vision for Pallavi Engineering College?
Ultimately, the vision of our management, Pallavi Engineering College, is to set up various centers of excellence in various thrust areas. We also would like to establish various research centers in our college, also pursuing various consultancy projects for various industries. And main mission of our college is to stand one among the top 10 engineering college in Telangana.
Ma'am, can we know more about yourself?
I am actually a Margadarshak approved by ACT. The main aim of the Margadarshak is to increase the quality of various engineering colleges situated across India, and nearly 200 professors who have got vast experience have been selected across India out of many lakhs of professors, and I am very happy that I won one among them. I am also an IIT Madras representative. So whenever they conduct any exams across India, so I will be a representative as an IIT professor and I will be performing my duties.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable time and giving us such valuable insights. And we highly appreciate this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.